account, you can log in with your passwords. Okay, so now you have a screen like this, the library part, okay? In this part, wait a minute, please. Okay, wait. Yes, you can join now, okay? You see the new icon here. Did you see here?
Yeah.
I click here. I choose the portrait or the portrait comic. You will study on this page, okay, the portrait page. After you click the portrait page, you see a plus icon here. I click here and the images, okay? So you can images, you can upload your photos from your computer. So you can choose this, upload from your computer. And then you choose your photos. For example, let's choose the first one. Look, I upload this photo here. Okay. And then again, if I select the plus icon, so you can add text here again, and you can write some things here, okay? Okay, you can write your stories, words under your pictures, okay, under your photos on the page. And then after you did this, you can again add some recording voice, okay, here. I'll show you my books here. I prepared one for you before. So I wrote my stories heading here, the living story books and the booklet. I add my photo via this icon, and then I wrote my story here. Because of the snowy weather and school closures, our student couldn't meet at school. Instead, they worked together from their homes using Zoom and blah, 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 okay? You can record your voice, okay, like this. Yes, now you start recording. Because of the snowy weather and school closures, our student couldn't meet at school and blah, 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 blah. It's going on like this. Then use recording, you say, okay?
Okay.
And let's listen. Can you hear the voice?
No.
No.
Okay, I have a problem, I think.
Yeah.
But it works like this, okay? You start recording here, you read what you have wrote on this page, and then you click the use button, and there will be a speaker icon on the screen. So you can listen by clicking on the speaker item, okay?
Okay.
So now, have you got any question with the book creator?
No.
No?
Oh.
Let's check our steps again. New book, portrait. You can use blank books or you can use templates. There are some templates on this page. You can use also these templates to create your book, or you can use the blank books. So you can use the portrait, okay? Please use portrait page.
Okay.
After I click on the portrait page, I use this plus icon to add some photos, to write my words of book, okay? For example, I wanna add some photos. I click on the images button, then upload from your computer button, and I choose my pictures. Look, I have got 3 photos here. You can adjust the size of the photos
Okay.
however you like, okay? Or you can delete it, or you can reorganize it, okay? You can use some smileys here, or you can use the pen. You can use the undo button again. So I choose one of them. And after I adjusted the size of the picture, again, I wanna add some text about my book. I wrote my words here, okay? Once upon a time, there was a little girl in a small village. Okay? And blah, blah, blah. You can again adjust it. The size or the text color. You can make it bold, italic. You can underline it. Okay? You can change the color of the writing here. And blah, blah, blah. It's okay? Have you got any question till here? No question?
No. And
Okay. So how you will record your voice, I'll show it again. Again, I use the plus button here. Record. Start recording. I'm waiting. Yes, I can use. Once upon a time, there was a little girl in a small village. I stop recording. Then I say, use recording. Let's listen. Error, I think. I can hear the sound. So you can record your voice and then use it on this page, okay?
Okay.
If you want to use some shapes or icons or some another templates, you can use this button, okay? You can use a lot of things. That's it. And then